getting ready to my little flower shower to go to the States with Amy Lee. And I wanted to show you my hair. I think it's cute, but looking in the camera, I'm like, let me see if I can show you the back. Can you see the back? I think that looks cute. It's different. My hair is in major need of highlighting, and I don't know what to do with it, and I wanted it out of my way. But now I'm like thinking it makes my face look round. Anyways, I just have to go put on my clothes, and Amy Lee should be here in about 40 minutes, so I have a little bit of time to relax. Okay, so I'm just waiting for Amy Lee to get here, and I thought I would talk because I don't talk enough on my vlogs. Just joking. But basically what I wanted to say is that Vlogmas might be a little bit different for me this year. I'm gonna fix my angle. Vlogmas might be a little bit different for me this year because on the 13th, so I'm kind of a day behind. So I filmed yesterday on the 1st and posting today on the 2nd. So on the 13th, Andrew and I are going to San Francisco to visit family, in which I'm not going to really vlog. I might vlog traveling, but I'm going to respect everyone's privacy, and yeah, I'm not going to be vlogging in San Francisco unless we're out alone, in which case it would be really short vlogs. So I'm going to do some pre-recorded videos, which I know aren't vlogs and they're not all Christmassy, but it's the only way that I can kind of keep up with Vlogmas without having to vlog every day. I'll be going the 13th to the 18th, but I'll be back on the 9th, so it'll just be 5 videos. So I'll try and make them Christmas themed. I haven't fully like planned them all out. I have a good idea, but yeah, so I just wanted to say that before everyone's like, it's not really Vlogmas videos that you're doing, blah blah blah. Just because that's life, and I really want to do Vlogmas and I'm really excited, but we have this trip and I'm not gonna force people to vlog, and plus it's gonna be family time. We're not gonna be, you know, we're just gonna be spending time together, so it's not like we're gonna be out doing all this crazy stuff, and if we are, then we are, but it'll just be in the family unit. Anyways, Amy Lee should be here any moment, and so I'll get my jacket on. How do you guys like my hair? What do you think? Is my face too round for it? I think it's cute. I think it's a cute style. It's something different. Maybe I should have parted it in the side, but my hair is ultra like 3-day not washed, so this was the best it was gonna get. Okay, I'll see you when she arrives.
Wow, it is kind of getting foggy out. It'll pass. It's fine as long as we can see ahead of ourselves. Hello. Hey. Amy Lee was so kind and she brought me a little Timmy's coffee. Sip sip.
Sorry, I have to pay attention now.
Yeah. And we are going to Buffalo to do a little bit of Christmas shopping, grab some stuff that you can only get in Buffalo. And and yeah, so it's a little bit foggy. A little. It's getting thicker by the second. This is where it usually gets pretty foggy. Okay, so we're gonna focus on driving, and then I will bring you guys around when we get. Oh, I almost forgot my passport. Have it here.
I have my passport.
Let's make sure. Yes. Whew. Okay, we're good. We're good. Buffalo, and it is the best weather ever. Like, this feels like spring. No joke, don't you think?
Yeah.
It literally feels like Easter weekend. It literally feels like Easter weekend. We are at the Fashion Outlets of Niagara, USA. This is the best place ever. Ooh. But it really just feels so good. So what are we doing here today, sister?
Christmas shopping.
Christmas
Looking
shopping?
for your gift.
Yeah, my gift. And just, Emily has to get some stuff for Aaron. Stocking stuff. And I'll look for some Christmassy gifts while the lighting is, there we go. And yeah, it should be fun. Oh my gosh, lock the door.
I did.
You did?
From the inside.
Oh, it feels so good. I'm so excited. I love shopping. This is the best. This is the way that I need to relax. I've been very stressed out lately, so
Okay,
it's like my retail therapy. Oh, I'm warm. I'm beautiful.
It's just my leg. 30 minutes in and we've already spent so much money.
Got a Christmas gift.
Should we see Santa?
Which way? This way?
I was looking for Bed Bath & Beyond.
Bath and Body Works?
Yeah.
Oh, Bath and Body
Would you
Works.
wanna go in
Ooh, there's so many good makeup stores here. Yeah, let's go in there. That's really good. Bare Beauty.
15%.
We might get Emily's second hole pierced. I'm trying to convince her right now to do it, but she doesn't. I'm so afraid of the pain. Just do it. Okay, well, let's just go in and look. We're at Claire's.
Plus, I don't trust the lady piercing my ear.
Come on, it'll be memories. I really want her to get her second piercing, but she doesn't believe me that it doesn't hurt. She's being a chicken. Anyways, I've had mine for so long and I love it, just on one side. Okay, we are done from Mall 1 and now we're going to go to Qdoba to get, remember they have really good queso? Queso. Yeah, I know. And then we're gonna go to Ulta and then we're gonna go to Target and then what else?
Maybe be done.
Maybe be done. But Target will take up, we gotta get a coffee. Little coffee, a drinky drink.
It's good, and we can wander, because when I was there with Aaron, he like walked so fast.
I know, Andrew does that too, and it's like boom, boom, boom. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done?
Trunk.
No. Yeah, trunk. Nothing like a good chips and queso. It's delicious. Oops. Good? Delish. Here we go. My favorite store. I want to smell that Kim K fragrance. I hate when people are like, so many people stare at the camera. Why is it always so dark? Ooh la la, heaven on earth. Oh, my ring out. Good, what is that? Oh, texturizing mist. Oh, for beachy. How much is it? 26 bucks on clearance, but. Okay, so it is, what time is it now?
It is probably 3 o'clock.
1:41! Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go to Target, somewhere that's around here. We're gonna come back to Ulta, but we wanna make some decisions based on items that we can find at Target, but we smell like the Kim Kardashian. Do you smell it?
Not anymore.
I smell the KKW. Well, my hair is kind of falling out.
I sprayed a lot of the Purity on me. I was like, shh.
What's Purity?
It's the perfume that reminds me of the beach.
I don't smell it.
I smell it, maybe.
Anyways, so it's like in my nose, the gardenia one, the one that's in like that crystal.
I
Don't know if I like it. Amy likes the peach one. Have you guys smelled her perfumes? It's the first time. And Ulta has Kylie lip kits. Ulta is like stepping up their game. I love it. Oh, we're trying to figure out which Target is the closest. We gotta get a Buc-ee's.
I think it's over.
Yeah, I don't know. We are at Target. We're on Target. Yeah, we're on Target at Target.
I'm just gonna leave my phone in the car.
Okay. I'm so happy. Soup's happy. Oops. I've got some money burning a hole in my pocket and I haven't spent it.
You've done well.
I have done well. So happy to be here. I'm so glad we have saved Target for the last because they have such cute stuff. I know everybody hears me say it a million times, but I am like seriously so sad that Target left Canada. Like so freaking sad. It is awesome here. Oh my gosh, they have such cute things. Oh. How cute. We're totally taking our sweet old time. We're trying on headbands. Oh, look at these scrunchies. They just have such cute stuff here.
Hold it steady.
I'm holding it steady.
Long leg.
Like this stuff is so good. Target sucks you in.
Shower cap.
For
Evie.
If you guys live in America, this is really good from Target. Oh, coconut pineapple sparkling water. So I didn't really end up getting too much. I get really initially excited when I go into Target and then it like dwindles down what I get. I ended up getting 2 gift bags because they were really cute and some barrettes and like just, where are they? A little set of earrings because these are really cute and they're really nice. Basic everyday. I like simple, bright, simple, small ones. Anyways, we're going back to Ulta to get some gifts, finish up, and then I think we'll probably head home.
On the road again.
I'm still full from Qdoba. Are you?
A little bit, but I will be hungry in an hour and a half.
So precise. We're done. I just got some Mario. My hair's a little bit, hasn't been holding up. But anyways, I think we're gonna head home. Pray for us that we don't have to owe anything at the border.
I don't think we will.
No.
It's been
That much money. Hopefully not. We are home in Ontario. We just kind of got the 3rd degree at the border. The Border Patrol asked us, he asked to see the receipts, which they never, wow, it's so sunny. They never ask that at the kind of like booth. They ask you how much you spent and then they tell you to either go in and pay customs or to go, but he like actually wanted to see the receipts and then he asked us if we were meeting up with someone. It was kind of weird, but anyways, we're through. I'm a little rattled. I was kind of shaking.
The car got searched going in.
Oh yeah, and the car got searched going in. So they must be looking for someone today. Something must have happened and they're being like extra cautious. Anyways, we are heading home to our homes. Successful day? Very successful. Very, very, very. I'm home now. My little puppy is so happy that I'm home. Hi, buddy. Walter, say hi. What are you smelling? Walter. Walter. Oh, yes. There's Andrew. Walter, sit. Sit. Everybody wants to see you. Good boy. Walter, can you give me a high five? Good boy. Don't mind.
For more information.
Must be 18 years old.
Oh, you're such a good dog. Oh, you're such a good
Wake up. The time has
Yes,
come.
you are.
For paths and deeds
How's your pizza?
and treasured one. Till we send our fears back.
Oh, yeah. I will show you what I got. This is Walter's little mark. He's really good at it. You want to do it for them? Mark!
and he will stay there until we say the magic word. So I said this already, but I got the, he's allowed to stay as long as he stays on it, but he obviously tests the boundaries. Seaweed night cream. And I can like hear him in my ear. The special cucumber lotion, which if you followed my channel for a while, this is like my ride or die skincare and I'm almost out. And acne facial cleanser. You know what the annoying thing is? I actually thought that I bought this when I went to Charleston and I bought the wrong thing. It was yellow and so it's sitting in the cupboard and I never use it. So I got from Ulta, and then I showed you what I got from Target, and that was pretty much all that I've got. So it was just really fun. It was like such a fun day, and it doesn't really matter about buying things. It's like spending time together, and shopping is my retail therapy. Okay, Walter. Break, break. Good boy, Walter. Mark. Walter, break. Walter, Mark. Walter, break. Mark. Such a good boy. Oh, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? We can do whatever we want. He's not allowed to get off. You're not allowed. You're not allowed. Break. Well, I think I'm going to end the vlog here because pretty much all that we're gonna do is relax, and I have to get up very early for school tomorrow. So I've got to wash my face and finish off any remaining homework that I might have. I just remembered some homework that I got to do, so I am going to sign off here. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos that I put out. I'll see you again tomorrow. Good night.